beauty lovers. Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're anything like me, you know that a great skincare routine doesn't stop at your face. Oral care is just as essential to feeling your best. Today, we're diving into a tech-forward approach to dental health with the Oral-B iO Series 7 electric toothbrush in sleek Black Onyx. This isn't just your average toothbrush, it promises some pretty revolutionary features for your mouth's health. So, what's the deal with this high-tech toothbrush? The Oral-B iO Series 7 claims to remove up to 100% more plaque and leave your gums 3 times healthier after just 1 week of use, compared to a manual brush. And with its advanced AI technology and pressure sensors, it's aiming to set new standards in how we brush our teeth. Plus, it's compatible with the Oral-B app, which offers personalized brushing guidance in real time. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty and see if all these claims really hold up. Starting with the features, this toothbrush comes equipped with a 5-mode display, allowing you to choose from a variety of cleaning modes depending on your specific needs, whether it's a daily clean, gum care, or sensitive mode. Each mode is designed to give your teeth the most thorough clean while also considering your gum health. And you can track all your activity using the Oral-B app. It shows where you're brushing, tracks your brushing time, and even tells you if you're brushing too hard or too soft, thanks to the built-in pressure sensor. When it comes to the design, this brush looks as good as it works. The Black Onyx color is sleek, and the handle is ergonomically designed to give a comfortable grip. The bristles on the Oral-B round brush heads are specifically made to reach areas that rectangular manual brushes often miss. This design is a game changer for those who want to ensure every part of their mouth gets the attention it needs. Now let's talk about the real-world experience of using the iO Series 7. Incorporating this toothbrush into my routine was surprisingly easy. The 3-hour fast charger ensures it's always ready to go, and the travel case makes it convenient to bring on trips without worrying about charging. One of the things I loved most was how the pressure sensor helped me adjust my brushing. Sometimes, we think we need to scrub hard, but the iO gently alerts you if you're brushing too aggressively. Over time, I felt like I was brushing with more control and precision. In terms of usability, the Oral-B iO is incredibly intuitive. The smart display is clear and easy to navigate, and the app is user-friendly, syncing seamlessly with the brush. As for the brushing performance itself, wow, my mouth felt so much cleaner than when I was using a manual brush. The combination of real-time guidance and the deep cleaning action of the round brush head really made a difference in how my teeth felt after brushing. Now, what about the cons? For some, the price point of this toothbrush might be a bit of a barrier. It's an investment for sure, but given the technology packed into this brush, I think it's justified. Also, it might take a little getting used to if you're accustomed to a more traditional brushing experience. But once you get the hang of it, I don't think you'll want to go back. In terms of value for money, I'd say if you're serious about your oral care routine and want to make a long-term investment in better gum health, the Oral-B iO Series 7 is definitely worth considering. It offers cutting-edge features like personalized brushing feedback, real-time tracking, and advanced cleaning modes that manual brushes simply can't match. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are some great alternatives that offer basic electric toothbrush features. However, none quite match the level of personalized care and smart functionality this one provides. If you're willing to invest in top-of-the-line tech for your teeth, this toothbrush will not disappoint. Before we wrap this up, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can stay up to date with all our honest, in-depth beauty reviews. Your support really helps us continue bringing content that you'll love. So, to summarize, the Oral-B iO Series 7 delivers on its promises. With impressive smart features, excellent cleaning power, and a user-friendly design, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to step up their oral care game. The advanced AI technology and the pressure sensor make brushing easier, more efficient, and even safer for your gums. But if you're hesitant about the price, there are other electric toothbrushes out there that could meet your needs without breaking the bank. I'd love to hear your thoughts if you've tried this product. Drop a comment below and let us know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.